Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Apple CarPlay Hyundai Elantra 2025. Start by unlocking your iPhone, enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then plug a Lightning to USB-C cable into the Elantra's center console port. Accept any prompts on the head unit and iPhone, select CarPlay on the screen, and complete the guided pairing steps so your apps, messages, and maps appear automatically on the infotainment display. Begin pairing by plugging your iPhone into the Elantra USB-C port and watching both screens for prompts. Tap Allow or Trust on the phone, and then select Apple CarPlay on the Hyundai display. If the system asks to enable Siri or share contacts, confirm those settings to unlock voice control and message functionality. Finish by customizing CarPlay apps in settings so your most used apps appear on the home screen for quick access while driving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear how-tos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is a smart pick for busy drivers who want a cleaner car and home. It uses voice control, maps rooms, and runs on schedules so messes are handled without fuss. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If CarPlay does not connect, reboot both your iPhone and the Elantra head unit, then retry the USB-C connection. Swap to a known goods certified cable if problems persist, and verify CarPlay is enabled under Settings General CarPlay on your iPhone. Also check for software updates on the iPhone and Hyundai system, and remove old vehicle profiles from your iPhone before repairing to resolve persistent pairing conflicts or naming errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.